Hello there, guys. Today I am playing this game that I found called My Little Blacksmith Shop. This game is about where you have a blacksmith shop and you need to make weapons. This is a new game. So first I want to start by making a sword. So I'm gonna get this guard because I know how to make swords. I've had a little try. Oh, and I need a new game. So I'm back and I actually hang on a minute. Okay, I'm back now. So we have to wait for some people to come to our shop and buy our stuff. I'm not sure where people are. Oh, there's a knight, but he's not coming. But first I want to show you the weapons that I made. I made a pickaxe. I made this swords. I'm gonna make a great sword next. And I got a dagger. So after this, I'm also gonna get an axe. Can you get up? This game is weird because you can't. I want to do some climbing. Can I get up here? Yes, I can. Wait, no, I can't. Oh, someone's coming. I just can't wait. And that usually works. That one-handed sword. You didn't order one? Okay. Here you go. So I'm gonna go and close the shop, and now I'm gonna go and make the axe. I've got enough. Actually, I was gonna make a great sword, so I need to go and get the two-hand grip. Two-hand grip. And then I'm gonna get a no, I don't want that. I want to get a great hammer, so two. Alright, so that I haven't gotten that, so I need to get an ingot. Click it. I can't crouch, it's not gonna work. Okay, I'm back. So I'm just heating these up. So these are heated now. And then this will be the great hammer. You can actually equip stuff, but I don't want to do that until I get to until I try the sandbox. So I don't know why it's called a blunt, but keep on hitting it till it makes one. Can you change the look of this one? It needs to go in the end. Let's change it. Go on the anvil. No, this is not changing. So you put them there. This is what it looks like. Now you need that there. Go on. Yep, so now we have a copper great hammer. Yeah, and it's not crouch. So now I'm gonna make a great hammer. I mean a great sword. Two-hand sword, whatever you want to call it. Yes, so if you're wondering why I'm looking up sometimes, it's because my stream cord just above this recording. So you get yes you can. my screen recorder is recording, and so the screen recorder is recording like above where I'm recording the actual screen. I don't know how to put this. Basically, what's going on is so my screen recorder, I have to hand the thing up so I know how long the video is, because it can only go up to 10 seconds or to 10 minutes. So, but I'm trying to make them quite short, so it's quickly because I upload, and also because the Wi-Fi in my house goes like really slow when I upload like a long video. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.